to discuss a new topic introduced in the class 10th, that is about sets. Before that, let's have a look about these images. What do you think about these images? Yes, absolutely you're right. We have a bunch of flowers, a wall of books, collection of teddy bears, collection of pens and group of letters in Telugu. The one thing that can be seen in common is that everything is in the form of a group or a set. What do you mean by a set exactly? A set can be formed by anything, group of letters, group of things which are well defined or distinct. What do you mean by well defined or distinct? Let's have a look about this example. Set of natural numbers which are divisible by 2 and less than 20. What are the natural numbers divisible by 2 and less than 20? Yes, they are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Is this well-defined collection of objects? Yes, because all the natural numbers from 2 to 18 divisible by 2 and less than 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 have one common property, that is following a rule, that is divisible by 2 and they are less than 20. So that this can be a well-defined collection of objects. Consider another example. Collection of intelligent students in your class. Is this collection of objects well defined? No, not exactly. It is not well defined collection of objects, because the word intelligent is a relative term. It is quite differ from one individual to another individual, and it is not well defined and it is not measurable. So that collection of intelligent students in your class is not well defined collection of objects. Let's take another example. Collection of letters in English before E. What are the letters in English alphabet before E? Is this well-defined collection of objects? Yes, it is well-defined collection of objects and they are distinct. What are the letters in English before E? They are A, B, C, D. These are the 4 letters in English before coming letter E. So that you can say this is well-defined collection of objects. Take another example. Collection of people in the society, is it well-defined collection of objects? No. It's not well-defined collection of objects. Because the word generous is also a relative term. It is not measurable and it is not defined. It is differ from one individual to another individual, one person to another person in society. So that the word cannot be well defined and it is not measurable. So collection of generous people in the society is not a well defined collection of objects. It cannot be a set. This cannot be a set. Take another example. Collection of first 5 prime numbers. Is it well defined collection of object? Yes, it is well defined collection of objects. What is meant by prime number? A prime number is a number which has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. For example, 7. 7 is divisible by 1 and itself 7. So that 7 is a prime number. So what are the first 5 prime numbers? They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We can list out the first 5 prime numbers. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So that this is well defined collection of objects. This can be a set. Collection of vowel letters in English alphabet. Is this collection well defined of objects? Yes, it is well defined collection of objects. We can list out the letters in English alphabet which are vowels. What are the vowels in English alphabet? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters in English alphabet. Collection of vowel letters in English alphabet is a well defined collection of objects. So this can be a set. So we conclude that a set is well defined collection of objects. Objects may be things or places or persons' names or letters or numbers, etc. Objects of the set known as elements of the set. Elements of the set. So set of natural numbers which are divisible by 2 less than 20. They are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. These are the elements of this set. A, B, C, D are the elements of this set. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the elements of this set. A, E, I, O, U are the elements of this set. A set can be notation using a special brackets. Those brackets are curly brackets. They are. We can write the elements of the set in this special brackets. These brackets are curly brackets. So we are going to write in this set using that brackets. Set of natural numbers which are divisible by 2 and less than 20. They are. We can list out that all elements. These are the elements, and we can enclose these elements in these brackets and every element is separated by commas. All the elements are separated by commas and enclosed in the curly brackets. So this is a set notation. What about the set notation of collection of letters before comes E? They are A, B, C, D. So we can write set form like this. This is also, we can write, these elements are also enclosed in the flower brackets, that is curly brackets, then this can be a set. These elements are also enclosed in the curly brackets and this can be a set. Elements are separated by commas. It is difficulty to express a set in the long sentences. Therefore, we can represent the set using capital letters in English alphabet like as A, B, C, D, E, etc. You see, in previous examples, set of natural numbers which are divisible by 2 less than 20, if it is denoted by the letter A, then A is equals to, set A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18, 16, 18. Similar way, collection of letters in English alphabet before comes E can be denoted by the letter B, so that we can list out the elements. Set B is equals to A, B, C, D. Collection of first 5 prime numbers can be denoted by letter P, so that we can write this set as P is equals to, set P is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. The collection of vowels letters in English alphabet can be denoted by the letter V, so that we can write it as V is equals to, set V is equals to A, E, I, O, U. These are the elements of the set A, these are the elements of set B, these are the elements of set P, these are the elements of set V. All these elements are in this set A, so that these elements belongs to the set A. There are 2 symbols in this sets chapter. The 2 symbols are is belongs to this one and this one. This symbol denotes or read it as is belong to. This symbol is belongs to, read it as is belongs to. This symbol is read as does not belongs to. In this, set A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We can write these elements are 2 belongs to set A, 4 belongs to set A, 6 belongs to set A, like as 18 belongs to set A. Is the element 17 in the set A? No. That's why we can write the element 17 does not belongs to in the set A. So we can use this symbol and we have to express 17. The number 17 not in the set A can be written as 17 does not belongs to the set A. A, B, C, D is the set denoted with the letter B. So small a belongs to the set B, B belongs to the set B, C belongs to the set B, D belongs to the set B. Is the element E contained in the set B? No, it is not in the set B. So we can express it as the element E does not belongs to the set B. The element E does not belongs to the set B. We can express it as E does not belongs to the set B. Is the X element in the set B? No. So X, element X does not belong to the set B. Similarly, P is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Here also 2 is an element in the set P, 3 is also element in the set P, 5 is also element in the set P, 7 is also element in the set P, and 11 is also element in the set P. That can be expressed as 2 belongs to set P, 3 belongs to set P, 5 belongs to set P, 7 belongs to set P, 11 belongs to set P. Is the element 6 belongs to the set P? No. We can express it as 6 does not belong to the set P. Similarly, A, E, I, O, U are the elements in the set V. So we can write them as A belongs to V, E belongs to V, I belongs to V, O belongs to V, U belongs to V. Like this, we can write the sets.